In this video, we're going to do these fractions. So for the first one, imagine you've got a over 1. So a over 1 is a, divided by b over c. So when it comes to fractions, you keep the first the same, and then you times the reciprocal of the second, c over b. So now when it's multiplication, it's easy. Top times top, bottom times bottom. So this is your answer to the first one. Okay, the second one, a over b divided by c over d. So you keep the first the same. So when you divide, you keep the first the same, and then you multiply by the reciprocal of the second, d over c. So now it's top times top, bottom times bottom. So this is the answer to the second one. The third one, when you divide a fraction, it gets multiplied to the bottom. So it gives you a over bc. This is your answer. But let's pretend we didn't know that. So for this one here, when you have one number divided by another number, a over b divided by, imagine the c as being c over 1. So now you keep the first the same. So when you divide fractions, you keep the first the same, and then you multiply by the reciprocal of the second, 1 over c. So now top times top, bottom times bottom, bc. So this is your answer. But the thing is, when you see this, a fraction, you divide a fraction, it gets multiplied to the bottom. It gets multiplied to the bottom. So it becomes bc at the bottom. Well, anyway, this is the answer to the third one. The fourth one, when you add or take away fractions, remember the denominators have to be the same. So for this one here, a over b, take away c, imagine c as being c over 1. So to add or take away fractions, you've got to get the two denominators to be the same. So here you've got a denominator b, here you've got a denominator 1. So you times top and bottom here by the same number. Let's times it by b. So this thing here stays the same, and then you take away, this times this will be bc. Remember, c times b is the same as b times c. It's just like 5 times 3 is the same as 3 times 5. Well, you can switch them around. Anyway, this times this will be bc. 1 times b will be b. So now the two denominators are the same. You can merge them together. So that will then become, merge them together over b, and then a minus bc. This is the answer to the fourth one. Okay? Fifth one. For the fifth one, fifth one here is a over b take away c over d. So you've got to get the two denominators to be the same. So times top and bottom here by the same number, times it by the number d. And then here times top and bottom by the number b. So this fraction here will then become AD over b times d is bd. And then this one here will be, I'm going to keep it alphabetical, BC over BD. Oh look, the two denominators are the same, so you can merge them together. So that will then become AD take away BC over BD. So this is the answer to the fifth one. Okay, the sixth one, you've got one number, take away another number. So imagine a as being a over 1, and then take away b over c. So to add or take away fractions, the two denominators have to be the same. So you times top and bottom here by c. So this will become ac over 1 times c is c, take away this thing here, b over c. Oh look, the two denominators are the same, so you can merge them together. So this will become ac minus b. This is the answer to the last one. Okay?